NS-208 is an 8-port industrial unmanaged Ethernet switch. Offering fast, easy-to-use, and reliable LAN dispersion, the NS-208 is ideal in almost any setting. It features an MDIX function for plug-and-play easy use. It can connect 8 workstations and automatically switches the transmission speed for connections. The flow control mechanism is negotiated. There are link and data rate LED indicators for each port, which makes it easy for users to do troubleshooting. Features include store and forward architecture, full duplex IEEE 802.3x, and half duplex back pressure flow control. Integrated lookup engine with dedicated 1K unicast MAC addresses. Supports between 12 and 48 volts DC voltage, and has a DIN rail mount for industrial usage. Standard RJ45 female connectors are provided. A standard RJ45 plug cable is all that is necessary to connect your device. To learn more about the NS-208 and other Ethernet switches, visit our website or contact a member of the ICP-DAS USA team.